Beli pi baro yang pedang subhai pi syakatup kubor mentagajan miat syawan pai syik kubor ki berbanyak ini pech wai kimat berkongsan. Akajing nyau vote jong election Lok Sabha wan syakmat ki kertong berkentup ya Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi bad Akhilesh Yadav. Job keput kertong ke VPP uba Ricky AJ Singkon na Shillong parliamentary seat. Job usaleng sangma na keseng Kongres Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Balai jingkren Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari Shah kila patai khubor halo ka jingnyau vote Shillong Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Ki khubor kibnya ka jingnyau ya ki vote na ka bentak election Lok Sabha ahjar apusau ka layat sikmat ka jingjop beningkong hakan election ka lalet sya ka seng BJP ki kertong ki bapau khmat ki bayo ya unam tam ki kentup ya menteri rang ba adu keri Narendra Modi na Varanasi menteri kesoka pedeng Amit Shah na Gandhinagar Nitin Gadkari na Nagpur Jyoti Raditya M. Scindia na Guna, bad Piyush Goyal na Mumbai North, bad Shivraj Singh Chauhan na Vidisha, bad Fagan Singh Kulatse na Mandla. Unong ilam keseng Kongres Rahul Gandhi na Raebareli, unong ilam keseng Samajwadi Party Akhilesh Yadav na Kannauj, bad unong ilam ke Samajwadi Party ka Dimple Yadav na Manipur kilatam hakani election. Kertong keseng Voice of the People Party uba Ricky AJ Singkon ula jok put na Shillong parliamentary seat da ka penrem yo MP keseng Kongres uba Vincent Pala keseng National People's Party kala rem habaro artli kisuki na katura bat na Shillong agajuk kapor ka jingmi na kanek election kala pensyayong hingan ya ke sokar MDA na marhabaro artli kisuki la job da ki party kala yang persya haba keren leng ba ka Twitter presiden ke NPP badu minti rang ba ke jelau Konrad Sangma kala pediang ya ka jing syarem ki kertong ke party da ka boong ni pediang da ka jing sngoret bat ngi burom ya ka rai jong upat ba bat ngi kit bok kit riang yu saleng Sangma bat yu ba Ricky Andrew J Singkon.
As you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party and we will follow that vision. When we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up? That we will let you all know once, as a party, we sit and take a decision.
Kajing ikun kabayakai usaleng sangma ula job Natura Parliamentary Constituency da kajing yo jing kersyan gi patba bat kajing lap ban train nak benta ka roi kapar kajing job usaleng sangma kala wanra kajing kela ho mau jam jong san perthai hakane kathan atura kertong kaseng Kongres usaleng sangma ula penkut no kajing sensha basau punyau teli kisnam belate dau pi sangma da ka penrem ye ka khun jong u ka agatha ke sangma akaba ulayo lailak prapulai hajar kandai spa khat kandai vote katba ka agatha ke sangma kalayo tang arlak apu prahajar ndrus pa nyu pra vote kabala pelong ya usaleng sangma ban job dapalat shilak sanpau hajar teli ki vote.
If the people's willing to change, definitely they do the change. There are lots of issues actually that needed to be see, and I will discuss with my people. Then only I will bring all those things, especially on the floor of the house. God has blessed us actually, not only me, the people. Blessed Garo Hills. So maybe God wants some changes in the Garo Hills. That's why God has, God is giving us, the responsibility to do something about it. So definitely, along with our people, we will try to do some changes. Lots of issues are there. So we will discuss which issue we will take up first. We will discuss with our public because it's not only me, who has won. So it's the public who has won. So I'll definitely have to talk with our people first.
Kaseng Voice of the People Party kalayo eka jingjob habaro lightly ki jaka ha ka West Khasi Hills District berkentup ya ke Nongston ke Ramrai Jerngam bat ke Mau Shinrut. Ha Nongston kaseng VPP kalayo arpwe hajar kendai spa pravsau vote ha ke balatam da khatsan hajar san spa live vote persya ya kaseng Kongres ke balayo tang kendai hajar sau spa live kendai vote kat ba kaseng NPP kalayo nriu hajar ar spa kendai live vote bat kaseng UDP nriu spa arpau vote. Uba lakon kemasan spa sab kendai vote uba Peter Chalam ar spa khat ar vote bat kenota shi spa kendai punyau tuli kinong kersan juga seng VPP kele syat kemen lo ka jingjob u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon hajan ke NRL Petrol Pom Hanong Ston ha Southwest Khasi Hills ke seng VPP kele ai khublei kinong kersan na mau kerwat bat Ranikor constituency halo ka jing kersan ya ke seng ha kene ke election Lok Sabha VPP uba Arden Basai Moit ne ke sengi ula ong baka parti kan sara yakimat bayadei bat kajing bamsap wat shadu kasa kasoka pedeng ula ong ru ba kila don shibon ki kam bamsap ki belami perthai ha Meghalaya henrei kitnat kum ka CBI bat ke ED ki 4 shim lawan bantokit habakan tho bakin mi khmat ya ki seng riulum ha Meghalaya ula benrap baki nongelam ke MDA ki dei ban pediang ya ka rai jong upat ba bat ban ino kam da ka jingdon burom
Niladan banta yu briu jingi banle fo Delhi buki pada legit o banra ikiti kemat kum ka kam bamsa baling im jiti bakan ke ED ke CDI hagan ke jelai kidon chibon ki kam bamsa balai tang sikui ki jela kani ru kadi goi ke bangin simkhia hagan ya party bangin ya trend baga government of India kumno bangin ya khon ya ka bamsa hagan ke jelai if the leaders of the MDA still have a self respect, they should have own moral responsibility and gracefully step down from the government.
To Amprin Lingdo lo ong baka pediang ya ka jing syak rem bat ka la ai jing khublei ya ka VPP ka belayo jing job. Hadian beladap ban penai ke result ke Dr. Amprin ke lo ong baka kwa baka VPP kan la ban pen urlong ya ka jing angnot kum baka thrang. Kalau ong baka ngej bakam day ya ka ban let Delhi wat hadian ka jing preshitom jongka ke NPP kala banjur ru baka seng ka don kam ban wat ya ki daw hae bakala bat balai baki pat ba ki sngodom ya ka seng
And I wish the VPP the very best. I wish the VPP will be able to deliver its promise because it's very difficult in these kinds of situations to have these kinds of wins. But it is more difficult for us to accept this defeat. And I appeal to all in government to accept this defeat. Take it as a challenge. Let us see what we need to do right if everything we've done is wrong. An indication of this kind shows that whatever we have done seems to have gone wrong. We have to soul search. We have to figure this out. And we cannot be hostile and angry. I wish that no member of the government in the MDA will take this the wrong way.
West Janty Hills District ka VPP ka latam nadu ka jingyo vote baningkong habaro ki Santali constituency. Kane ka longru ka jing sakhi bawat haga constituency ka ba ka NPP ka layo kurbun ki vote. Naga prapunriu hajar sapunriu vote ha West Janty Hills District ka VPP ka latam dasan pawe hajar nyauspa sapu ar vote. Hagajuk kapor ka VPP kelayo jingjob hagi Southly naki Santli constituency hari Bohoi district kaba kentup ya ka Jirang Nongpo Umsning Mauhati bat Umroy kat bagaseng Kongres kelatam Hajirang constituency. Ka jingyo yaki vote ya ka Shillong Batura Parliamentary Constituency haka jala kelakut no haka bau Chief Electoral Officer UBDR Tiwari ula penbenai ke result Shillong Constituency haka bau Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkon ukertong ka VPP ula yo sanlak nyopoi hajar nyopo pra vote kat bau kertong ka Congress uba Vincent Pala ula yo tang Shilak kendai punai hajar sispa nru pra vote ka BPP kelatam dan lailak nyopoi hajar kendai spa sipo vote ka kertong ke NPP kong Amprining doi la yo Shilak Prapunriu Hajar Sauspa Pravot kat bau kertong ke UDP uba Robert Jun Karjaren ula yo Sapusau Hajar Sanspa Nrupulai vote habaro kidon katwei Hajar pra ki vote nota kat ba Nriu Spa Saupunriu vote kila syak kentai Hatura Parliamentary Constituency usaleng sangma nagaseng INC ula yo Lailak Prapulai Hajar kendai spa kendai for vote kat baga kertong ke NPP ke Agatha sangma kalayo arlak apufra hajar nriuspa nyopufra bot unong elam keseng TMC uzanet sangma layo sapufra hajar nyospa kendai vote bat san hajar praspa saupo bot ke kinota vote bat usaleng sangma ulatam da Shilak san hajar aspa sapuwei vote
has secured 5,71,078 votes and the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Vincent H. Pala, who secured 1,99,168 votes. And Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan has won the Silang Parliamentary Constituency with a margin of 3,71,910 votes. Other candidates, Dr. Yam Ampreen Lingdo from National People's Party has secured 1,86,488 votes.
Mentapak ingin pe ikajing long jiman kasu meneng hasilong kajing shet kalong apulai point r degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong katsan point san degree Celsius kajing skam gau hau kalong kendai puai ni kisispa menstep bat prapusau ni kisispa janmiet kajing hap slap kalong 0.5 mm. Kandon kajing hap slap kaba melu mala rengkat kajing tiet upertat habun kijaka. Syaban poi syek bekut jong ketup kebon pe biangsa Asian kini kimat bekongsan. Haka jingyo vote jong election Lok Sabha wan syekmat ke kertong bakentup Narendra Modi u Rahul Gandhi badu Akhilesh Yadav. Job keput u kertong ke VPP uba Ricky AJ Sinkon na Shillong parliamentary seat. Job usaleng sangma na Seng Congress Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Badai jingkran u Chief Electoral Officer UBDR Tiwari shikila patai khubor halo ka jingyo vote a Shillong Batura Parliamentary Constituency. Terparlok katung ila poi shibakut jong ketup khubor jingi mentaka janmiet hadu bagin desyam pilasai kesengi hakajuk po kubishiboni pibaro.